Alright, Branda, it's your turn to go to Baldi's school. So, Kilson, Vaki, Kill, Elon, go to Baldi's schoolhouse. Why are we going to his schoolhouse? Um, uh, so you guys can learn. We're already adults. We already been to school. We quit school since I was 19. We don't have to go back there, so we can restart our first time of school. This time, I've been at school. Well, why not go see? This better not be a prank. I don't know why we're even going to his schoolhouse. Just take Jeremy's advice. Wait, what? We have to take... Well, I might bring you worms if you go into school. Alright, fine. But if you try to go us, and he's allowing us to go to this horror game, you are crazy. Don't worry. Alright, I guess we can go. What kind of school is this? Dun 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 dun. Well, I'm gonna go check the whole school. See you back, new Jeff. Do you guys think what this is? It's kind of creepy, don't you think? Hello, Brandas. Welcome to my schoolhouse. Who are you? My name is Baldi. I'm a teacher here. Would you like to visit my school, the three of you? Not really. Maybe we can, as long as we don't get in trouble. My rules are so easy. All you have to do is find all 7 notebooks, and then you get a prize, and then after getting a prize and getting all 7 notebooks correctly without getting one answer wrong, you get to go free. Are you really serious? Are you sure? Yes. This is why I've been teaching kids since 3 years, since 2018. This will be your time to learn, so you better pack up now. Oh, wow. You know what? Let's just get out of here. We're not listening to you, so bye-bye. Wait a minute. They did not just leave me in here. Oh, they're in big trouble now. This is creepy, Vacky. Don't you think this is creepy? You kids have been very naughty, and I can't wait to spank you. Oh, whatever. I know all my math. Oh, look, a pink notebook. Shall we check it, Vacky? Sure is. Alright, come on, guys. We found a notebook. Let's see what's going on. Hello, students. Welcome to my school notebook. We're not human beings, and we're not students, so you can't say that we're students. We're not like human beings. You would just call us birds instead, or chick. That's not important. What's important is your math. What is 53 times 2017? That is extreme question. I'm pretty sure that equals 106901. I mean 01. That's really good. Let's try a hard one. What is 96 minus 3? That equals 93. Terrific. What is 28 times 7? That equals 196. That's great. How do you know math? Duh, I've been in bird school. I've been teaching a teacher ostrich studying school. I'm very intelligent at math. That's how detergent I am. While depending getting the hard ones correctly instead of the difficulty of getting easy ones. That's great. You did great. Come here and get your prize. A shiny quarter. Yeah. We'll take the quarter. This place is empty than my body. Oh wait, there's someone. Oh, hello there. Who are you doing here? Oh, I'm Sharkin. Do you know the way out of here? Because I'm in big trouble. The way out of here? I don't know. We do have to get out of here. Well, I'm very certainly confused and I don't know where the way is. Well, sorry. Well, I'm afraid I can't unhelp you. But maybe if we want, maybe we can explore it to our whole selves, right? Yeah, I think so. Is that an ant? Oh, yeah. Why in the world would he have insects walking around? I don't know. This school is a different school. This school has been used since 1980. Serious? So, Vacky, what do you do? Well, guess what, guys? I brought a little friend with us. And his name is, Sharkin. I think he's a sea character. Like a shark character. Oh, whoa, he's a tall guy. Maybe he's smart. Maybe he can help us. Don't worry. Don't da 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 da. Hello, Sharkin. It's time to do everybody's favorite subject, math. What is 9 plus 6? I think I know what that is. 9 plus 6 equals 15. Terrific! Next one. What is 88 times 2013? Oh, that's a hard one. 177144. Okay. Are you using the calculator? No, I'm very smart at math too. I'm really good at math. Especially the fact families. Okay, well, that's a good guess. Well, problem through. What is plus times equals we can't read that. Can you just give us a hint? Come on, you guys are older. We already graduated school, we told you. We wouldn't have to do it again. Just answer the problem and maybe you won't have to deal with trouble. Alright, fine. Let's pick 35. Oh, I have a good idea. Take this, Baldi. Did you just fart at me? That's very disgusting. What did you have for breakfast? Milk and cheese? And socks? Let's see, let's find out soon, because I'm gonna spank the... You're gonna spank what? I'm gonna spank the 5 of you. Are you serious? You guys have been very naughty students. Time to punish you all. Come on, guys. Let's get out of here. Let's find a door out of here. Do you know? Oh, calm down, Kilson. Hold your horses. I'm trying to figure out what's going on. We don't have horses with us. Very strange. I agree, and we do have to get out of here. Yeah, I agree with you. We definitely do. Because this bald teacher is taking it too seriously. And I know something is going definitely wrong here. Hey, look, I found a student. Huh? Let's play. Jesus, this is every kid's nightmare. What are you doing here? Can you just help us find a way out of here? Because if you don't, if you're in Baldi's side, I'm gonna kill... Actually, no. I'm actually gonna break your stupid jump rope. Now, get out of my way, kid. You know... Oh, no! Oh, no, you don't. Oh, that makes me sad. Oh no, Baldi's in our side. I realized what his name's. His name's Baldi. We know who this person is. We saw his pixel computerized games, and it's not helping us. You kids have been very naughty. No, trying to get rid of students in the halls. Wait, and who are you? Sir, can we help you? 99 seconds detention for you. Your parents will hear about this. We don't have parents. We live with ourselves. Our parents died at the age of 92 when we didn't have it. If he was living, he would be like 108. Oh, shut up, Kelson. We don't have parents. I'm just kidding. It's April Fool's. So, and Sharkin, what are you doing here? Trying to help you. Oh, God. Oh, Becky, who did you buy this guy for? I bought him so he can assist us. He's trying to help us, you know. Yeah, I guess. Ah, jeez, what a full of... You guys have been very naughty students. Time to punish you all. He's not really gonna do this. He's not gonna hurt us, right? Or better yet, is he gonna do what I think he's gonna do? Here's both of your punishments, and you guys are gonna get really big trouble. You're lucky I'm not calling the police on you. I have a good idea. What is your good idea? Oh my God, is he killing Baldi? He's an evil teacher. Take that. Hey, get off me. Hey, you took my ruler. Let's just beat him up. No. Hey guys, if you like this video, then like and subscribe. Let us know in the comments below, what you want to visit next. As always, thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. We put all the Branda bird videos in the playlist, so if you haven't checked that out yet, there's probably like, I think 26 of them. But why not check them out? As always, thanks for watching. See you next time. Happy April Fool's Day and Easter Day.